To download Gacha Nox on your PC, first, open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Gacha News and press Enter. This will direct you to a trusted website that offers the latest updates and download links for Gacha Nox. Once you reach the Gacha News website, look for the search bar on the page, usually located at the top or in a visible spot. Type Gacha Nox into the search bar and hit Enter to search for the mod. You'll see various results related to Gacha Nox. Find the post that discusses Gacha Nox and click on it to visit the download page. On the post page, scroll down to find the section where you can download the mod for your PC. There will be a download button specifically for the PC version of Gacha Nox. Click the download button to begin the process. The file will start downloading, so wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, open the file to begin the installation process and enjoy all the mod features on your computer. It's as simple as that.